Okay guys, today we're doing a short video. This is a 2018 CRV that we're doing a rear diff drain and fill. Right here is the drain plug. And that is just a 3/8 ratchet. You don't need any socket or anything. I already have it broken loose. These are one of the ones that have that dual pump fluid. And trust me, you do not want to put regular differential fluid in it. It would not work out. It is way too thick for this. So there we go. It's draining out. You can see, focus. You can see all the sludge and debris on there. Now this has 170,000 miles on it, so it's definitely due for it. So I'm going to go ahead, put my phone down, and clean this off a while that's draining out. Okay guys, so the fluid's just about done draining. Here I cleaned off the drain plug. I could leave that drain a little bit more, but there's only a couple tablespoon or two left in there. So I'm going to go ahead and thread this back on quick. Make sure that the aluminum crush washer is still on there when you put that back on. And then I already have this side broken loose. Right there is the fill plug. So there's the hole. I'm going to go ahead and get my fluid transfer pump and start pumping this in. Okay, so basically I zip tied the fluid transfer pump to that bracket so it'll stay in place while I'm pumping. And that's what they look like. I'll put a link down in the description for the fluid and the pump. The fluid can be a little hard to find sometimes. It is the import DPS fluid. In this particular vehicle, it took about 1.5 quarts. So figure I'm buying 2 quarts. You just keep pumping it in until you have a steady stream coming down here, which I had a minute ago before I started recording. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my zip tie off and I'm gonna reinstall that drain plug quick. Okay guys, so I got the drain plug reinstalled right there. That's just the 3/8 drive ratchet, no special attachments. It's really important. I think the manufacturer calls for it every 50K on these. It's important to change that fluid because these have clutches in them to make it a limited slip, and it needs change. It will wear out and it'll cost you a lot of money in the long run if you just neglect these things. So I hope this video helps someone. Please subscribe to support the channel, and like I said, I'll put a link down in the description to show you where you can get the fluid transfer pump and the fluid at. Have a great day, guys.